Hello and welcome all my subscribers. iPhone 14 is there, and like every year I will share with you how you can get it for free. iPhone 14. This year Apple is create a new and beautiful design with a smooth notch. The site that we will share today is called justapple.best. Let's check it out. First, go to justapple.best site and enter your first name and last name. After that, enter your email address. After completing these steps you will get a confirmation message on your Gmail and congratulations. After same days you will get an email with a link where you will enter your address to get your phone.